Upgrade new home construction with a purpose-built home battery backup to keep critical circuits running and increase energy independence. When planning, choose a battery chemistry that fits life cycle needs and budget, commonly lithium-ion for high energy density, or alternatives like lithium iron phosphate for longer cycle life and safer thermal performance. Size the system by calculating continuous load watts for essential circuits and multiply by desired outage hours to get required kilowatt hours, then add 20 to 30% headroom for inverter inefficiencies and battery aging. Integrate the battery with rooftop solar photovoltaic so daytime production charges storage and reduces grid draw, and set charging priorities so panels feed loads first, then batteries. Include a manual or automatic transfer switch to isolate and power only critical loads during an outage, which keeps inverter loads within rated capacity and complies with electrical code. Specify a whole system that matches inverter continuous and surge ratings to motors and HVAC startup currents, and consider stacked or parallel inverters for future capacity increases. Plan conduit, HVAC ventilation for equipment rooms, and a dedicated breaker panel for critical loads now to avoid costly retrofits later. Arrange for professional monitoring and a periodic maintenance plan that includes state of charge checks, firmware updates, and thermal inspections to prolong life and maintain warranty compliance. Common mistakes include undersizing the battery, which leads to rapid depletion during extended outages and user frustration. Solve this by calculating realistic outage scenarios and adding at least 20% capacity margin. Another issue is neglecting inverter surge and motor start requirements, which causes trip systems during appliance startup. Mitigate this by sizing inverters to handle surge currents or shifting large motor loads to non-critical circuits. A final frequent problem is poor integration with solar arrays that causes inefficient charging and wasted generation. Address this by configuring charge controllers and energy management settings so solar production prioritizes on-site loads, then battery charging, then grid export. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides resources relevant to battery backup planning so we can help you find professionals who handle battery, inverter, and transfer switch installation. We also help contractors find work and engage in a discussion community where we share installation tips, vendor experiences, and real-world troubleshooting.